Alam mo, Christian, we were also surprised, no? Suddenly, she just came out bringing with her a copy of her affidavit, no? At hapon na nga yata, o gabi na nga yata niya inilabas yung kanyang affidavit, no? Apparently, kaya siya nagsalita ay dahil, sabi nga niya, the truth shall set us free. At medyo she had a 1 week reflection in the detention facility. And then she realized maybe it is now time, no, to bring out or spill the beans, ika nga, tungkol sa kanyang kaugnayan dito sa extrajudicial killings or the war on drugs, where EJK are being implemented by some rogue PNP officers. Kung meron mang nababanggit yung mga witnesses, kung sino-sino mga personalities, no, kagaya nga nung nangyari kagabi, nabanggit si former President Duterte, Senator Bato, etc. Hindi ho kami ang may script noon. Ano ho yun? Yun ho ang sinabi nung nagtestimonya na isang witness na base sa kanyang sinumpaang salaysay ang aming pagtatanong.